Okay, welcome everyone to the Loot Crate unboxing for January 2015. The theme for this month is Rewind. So let's crack it open and see what we got in here. This should be interesting. Okay, knife is split. We have the opening. Excuse me. All right. Let's see what we got. What's inside? Ah. That's awesome. I can flip it inside out and it will look like an NES. Oh, that is going to be cool. We will do that when we're done. Let's see what we got here. We have a t-shirt. Let's see who's on the t-shirt. It is Voltron. We got a Voltron t-shirt. Oh, it's kind of hard to see. It's all... There we go. It's a Voltron t-shirt. Nice. I like me some Voltron. Okay, what's in here? What's this? Fire Hunt? What are you? What is this? Fire Hunt. What is this? Let's pop this open and find out what this is. I'm curious to see what this is. Looks like an NES cartridge. I have no idea what this is. Do not show out of order. Oh, there's more stuff inside here. It's a... Oh! That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. It's a little cartridge guy. Oh, that is cool. Hold up. I need to get a stand for this phone when I'm filming. Better idea would probably be not to film with my phone. I'll set that there. Bear with me, people. Bear with me. Not my best filming, I will say. There. It's a cartridge guy. Look at this. That is cool. That is insanely cool. We got some 8-bit sunglasses. I like that. What is this? Black Geek. It's another box of some sort. Oh! That is a... Looks like a Space Invaders necktie. skinny tie. I might wear this anytime I need to wear a tie. It's a skinny tie, but that is a cool tie. It's getting close on that. Let's see if you can see the pattern on there. It looks kind of like the Space Invaders alien. As usual, the pin. Okay. We have the comic notebook. It is a notebook. In the style of a comic book. So you can draw your little mini comic in 64 pages. And we have a Star Wars comic. That is cool. Star Wars is always collectible. This might be worth something, especially because of the Star Wars name on it. That's cool. And as always, let's check the book, make sure we got everything. Look back at Geek and Gaming. January is Rewind. Okay. Oh, by the way, chance to win the Mega Crate. Look at all this stuff you could win. One person every month. You can't get this unless you subscribe. But, alright, let's see what we got. Retro Arcade Skinny Tie, check. Tendo figures, I got Fire Hunt. Oh, I could have got a Doctor Who one. Oh, that makes me kind of sad. That makes me kind of mad. I could have got Doctor Who. I like Doctor Who. I want some Doctor Who. All right. What else do we got in here? What else could we have gotten? Star Wars comic. The Voltron Blueprint t-shirt. The comic notebook and the 8-bit sunglasses. And you can punch the back cover out to make it your own cartridge. That is cool. That is cool. That cartridge, your own controller. Oh, that is cool. Loot crate. Awesomeness. Well, that is the loot crate for January of 2015. First crate of the year. I kind of like it. I kind of like little cartridge guy here. This is definitely one of my favorite things in the entire. Oh, there goes his foot. Definitely one of my favorite things in the entire crate. The tie. The tie is also cool. I'll need to find an excuse to wear this. Anyway, looking forward to next month. This is going to be awesome. Thanks for watching as always, and remember, sign up. It's only $20 a month. LootCrate.com. You get all this cool stuff. You get way more than like $20 worth of stuff in here. It's highly worth it. Check it out. I highly recommend it. So like I said, sign up www.lootcrate.com. It's easy to do, easy to sign up for. You get cool stuff like this every month. See you next month.